Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we get started with Asana, how can we create our first project ever. So in order to show this process, I created this brand new account to show it from scratch. How can we do this? Basically, it's pretty easy, and Asana provides us a lot of different opportunities to work with our project, to create new tasks, to add our teammates. So let's get started. So to get on this page, we need to find in a search bar something like this, Asana login, then just click on enter. And here we need to find the first non-sponsored link. For example, this one is suitable, so we can simply click on it, click on go to Asana in the right top corner. And here, if you are just not logged in, there will be the button in the right top corner. It looks like log in, or create new account. You can create new account with your email or just continue with Google account if you have one. So it will be pretty easy for you to create the account and get on the page like this. So this is our Asana interface. And what do we have here in the left side? As you can see, we have a menu. We can hide it by clicking on this button or just expand this slide bar by clicking here. So we have like a home page. As you can see, there is like suitable information for us, the date, like the number of complete tasks, the number of collaborators, our tasks here if we'll scroll down, and all of our projects. So we'll create a new project a little bit later. Also, we have like tasks I've assigned and different forms. Also people, there will be like your teammates here if you will invite them. If we'll go to the next area, which is called My Tasks, here we can also find all the tasks recently assigned, due today, due next week, due later. We can also change the view to board, calendar, or files. As you can see, I think the board view is the best because, as for me, I think it's the best to work with. It's like more easy, it's easiest to do. And we can also see the inbox. There will be like our messages with our teammates. I don't use it because I have like only solo projects. Here we can also find the insights, reporting, portfolios, and goals. Maybe it will be important for you to know where can you find these folders. And what is the most important as for us is our projects here. As you can see, I don't have any projects, so let's create new together. We need to click on new project here, and now we have three options: blank project, use a template, or import spreadsheet. Basically you can choose any, but I will create blank project to make it from scratch. So now we need to name our project. I will just name it like year plan or something like this. Privacy, public to my workspace, private to project members. And the default view, you can choose the suitable for you. I will choose the board because, as for me, this is the best one. So just click on continue. What do you want to do first? Start adding text, share with teammates, or set up workflow. Start adding text. So go to project. So as you can see, this is our project year plan, called year plan. It looks like this now. We can find it here. We can also deal with it. So if we'll click with the right mouse here, we can see share project option, open in new tab, copy link, set color icon. I will just change it right up now. Rename if you want to change the name, add to start, and archive if you want to delete it. So basically, yeah, this is the options we can do with our project. Here we have like different areas for our task, different boards: to do, in progress, complete, and add section. As you can see, we can also change the view in the top of this window. Different use, I will change it to board, but you can set it to anything you need. So let's delete all of these like section to show you how can we edit, how we can create it. So as you can see, there is like three dots here, and we have like options: add role to section, rename section, or add section. I will just add section new here. As you can see, we have like to do. So let's add the planned section. Then let's add like do today, and the last one is completed. So now we have like 4 sections here, and in order to make it easier, we'll just move one task from one section to the next section to the third, and to complete it. So basically, this is the way how can we deal with sections. So now we can create a new task or just deal with existing one. So if we'll click on this task mark, we can see the task editing window. We have a lot of different options here. We can change the name or just rename the text. Also, for example, like create this project. We can also add the assignee. We can change it to us. We can change the date we need to perform this task. So if we'll click, we can change it for today, for example. And now we can also add like add time or like a set to repeat if you need it, of course. So we need to do it today at 11 a.m. We can also change it, the parameters of this task. So if you have the another project, we can move it from this project to the another one. It's also very interesting. We can add the description, for example, create Asana project. So if you'll click on this task, we can always read this description. If you have a teammates here, it will be really good for you. So you can just like this. Also, you can add some attachments, subtasks, or copy task link, or full screen. So if you're working in a team, these options will be really suitable for you. So when we created this task and we also planned it, we can move it from the first section to do to planned. And for example, if you need to do it today, you can just even move it from here to there. And what is more interesting that now you have the option to do this. And if you created this project, if you did everything, we can just click on right up here, like it was complete, and then just move it to completed. So this is the easiest way of how can we deal with tasks. So here we can create something like this, like I don't know how to make video about Asana. Yeah, we can just click on it, add the guy who need to do this, add the date. We can click on right up here. We can add the time, add the description, and then just add the subtask if you need. So what is more interesting, so if you'll have 2 projects, for example, I will also add the blank project like month plan. Yeah, continue. And I wanted to show you is that we can move tasks from here. As you can see, project, we can add it to another project. We can add it to, like, for example, month plan. Add it to project, click on month plan, and then just untilted section, of course. So now this task is in this project. And if you go to this, go to board view, we can also see it right up here. So sometimes it could be really cool if we need to change it. So we can, for example, delete it from year plan, and now it will be only in the month plan. So if you need to like move it from one project to the another one, it will be the easiest way of how can we do this. So basically, yeah, this is a way of how can we deal with Asana and create our plans, manage our projects. So this is a way of how can we do this. I hope, guys, this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day and goodbye.